Endoscopic retrograde cholangiopancreatography, or ERCP, is a procedure that combines endoscopy and fluoroscopy to diagnose and treat conditions of the bile ducts, pancreas, liver, and gallbladder. Endoscopy uses a thin, flexible tube with a light and tiny camera, called an endoscope, to look inside your body. Fluoroscopy uses a continuous X-ray beam to create real-time, moving images on a monitor. Here's how ERCP is performed. You'll lie on an exam table, and you'll usually receive sedation through and for in your arm. Your throat is numbed with a local anesthetic, and then the doctor gently passes the endoscope through your mouth, down your esophagus, and into your stomach, reaching the first part of your small intestine, called the duodenum. The camera sends live, magnified images to a monitor as the doctor locates the opening of your bile and pancreatic ducts. A catheter is passed through the endoscope into these ducts, and a contrast dye is injected to make them visible on X-ray. Fluoroscopy is then used to check for blockages, stones, or other problems. If needed, the doctor can use small instruments through the endoscope to open narrow ducts, remove or break up stones, or even place temporary stents to keep ducts open or prevent leaks after gallbladder surgery. The entire procedure usually takes about 1 to 2 hours.